Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will walk you through how to link your GO2BANK account to Zelle in 2025 so you can send and receive money instantly. Let's get started. So first, it's important to know that GO2BANK does not have Zelle built directly into its own app. That means you can't just open GO2BANK and use Zelle from there. And instead, you will need to use the Zelle app and link your GO2BANK debit card to it. Then go to the App Store or Google Play Store and download the official Zelle app. Then open it and tap Get Started or Sign Up. If you already have a Zelle account, you can log in and skip to adding your card. Then enter your inform. Zelle will ask you for US mobile number and an email address. Enter them, then create a source password. You will also need to verify your phone number with a one-time code sent by SMS. Now it's time to connect your GO2BANK account. When Zelle asks for your bank, choose the don't see your bank or add debit card. Enter your GO2BANK Visa debit card number, expiration date, CW, and for CVV and billing zip code. This will link your GO2BANK directly to Zelle, so all transfer go in and out of your GO2BANK balance. Then once linked, send a small amount, even $1, to a friend or family member to make sure everything works. If the payment goes through and your balance updates, you are good to go. So transfer with Zelle are instant and irreversible. So only send to people you trust. And if your debit card isn't accepted, make sure it's activated and has no restrictions. Keep the GO2BANK app handy so you can track deposit right after they arrive. So and that's it. You have now linked your GO2BANK account to Zelle in 2025. If keep the record and hope you are enjoying this video, and if this guide helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe the channel.